Hello everybody! Let's start with a plan with me. It's been a while. I will be using this kit called Mimi in the Wonderland. All the graphics are hand drawn by me and this kit can be found in my shop. It comes with 5 sheets and I will be using it in my A6 inserts. I haven't been posting much on my channel lately. Most of my main posts are on Instagram and I know a lot of you follow me on Instagram don't really get the updates. Perhaps maybe this might be a fun way to kind of showcase the use of my stickers here on the channel. I will try my best to post at least once a week, whether it is plan with me or new sticker release video. First, I take out the week's insert from the binder and spread it on the table. I normally like to stick the habit tracker on the sidebar under this week. And next, I put down all the dates covered up. And you can see that I enjoy taking all the stickers out and stick it on my hand for the convenience. Do you guys do that too? I find it a lot convenient for me to like reach out and take and place on my spreads immediately. Just note that this is just a partially completed spread, which means that I decorate the spread at the start of the week and a lot of the spacing is blank. I tend to fill out information and add more sticker as the days goes on. So for the completed look of the spread, check back on my Instagram at Littlestarplans to check out what my final spread looks like. Here I am placing artwork decor boxes down in each day from Monday to Friday. There is no particular order how I place them. After the artwork decor boxes are placed down, I place a weekly habit tracker in the sidebar under this week. I decided to use the meal plan script that comes with this kit. I placed it above the weekly tracker box. Next, I placed this week under the habit tracker. Here I am taking out sticker book filled with Nuku laptop stickers. I am comparing different sizes to see which size fits the best on the sidebar. I decided to go for Nuku and its friend sticking out at the top of the laptop sticker. This can also be found in the shop, and majority of the stickers I use in this spread are from my shop, Nuku and Mimi stickers. I already placed down Mimi with a laptop sticker and Nuku in a washing machine, which represent laundry. I placed Nuku in a box, which is a check box. And next I place a rounded art decor box from this kit. Next, I place another rounded art decor box from this kit. I wrote out a hockey game that's happening at that time. It was my first time attending a hockey game in New York and it was pretty exciting because I'd never been to one before here in New York. And next I added Mimi with a noodle bowl that represent my noodle meal. I also completed Tuesday with a to-do header, a checklist filled with stars, and a flag, which all included in this kit. I hope you find this plan with me video useful. I decided to do a bit of voiceover for those who needed a bit more assistance on using this kit. I designed this kit to be flexible for everyone's different planning style, so feel free to take this as an inspiration or make it as your own. Here I place another to-do header. I place a star checklist, and the star checklist is mainly focused on the top 3 important tasks for the day. Other suggestions that you can use the checklist for, like some people write it for favorite quotes, songs, or food for the day, and so on. Under that, I place a Mimi planning sticker. And then under that, I place a rounded star checklist box. I flip the page over. So for on Thursday, I place a to-do header and a purple star checklist. I place another rounded box sticker that has a cup. I decided to keep the bottom blank for now until like later as time goes on. And then on Friday, I do the same. I chose the purple to-do header and I placed it under Friday date cover up. This time I pick out a blue star checklist and place it under to-do header as well. And then I write out the 3 important tasks for that day. I place a small blue flag under a rounded box and I utilize this space to write out Nuku's Valentine's die cut release. I believe it was released for a printable die cut that anyone can download and print on their own, on their dashboard or a bookmark and so forth. But after that, underneath that, I kept the bottom blank so I can write more tasks or events later as time goes on. The last bit of planning for this spread, I added Mimi in the Wonderland skinny washi at the bottom of the inserts. Are left over, which can be used for future spreads. I hope you all enjoyed this plan with me using Mimi in the Wonderland kit. I hope you also learned something new. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!